kahle-ke kuningi how can I hey mase ngahlala nama-China angifundisa ukwenza isushi yazi shame kuningi like angazi ngathi ngayenza ama-backflip nama-China sifundisane ukwenza ama-backflip like ngiyagowa and shem angipretende like angiperishi nokupherisha sengiphelile like angazi sengifloat emoyeni manje angazi uzalani maka kubuphilo guys it's kubuphilo shame wait mana bathu hey ngaze ngaphuza i-Red Bull ngithola ama-wings ngifly ngiye kuNkulunkulu ngithi Jesus mara why yini inkinga phuza i-Red Bull nje fly uye kuJesus yokukhuluma naye etafuleni sitho yini inkinga yakho wawenza so consider us we don't know your language guys like English young sinder like English is heavy right now I can't and esihwerile sishwerile ekanyiwa cho ngathi ngame robotini ngibiza imoto so mangathi iyeza ngenza so ngishayisa inyawo ngilale ICU for 5 days like angazi ngenze njani job I'm going a 4 mfana makafere wait wayira la neke bophelo wait set the pipe liphi lolu pipe lisele emzini wakhe jo ngisena pipe manje like ngathi ngaya ku mami club ngidile no Pilaji shange nqindi fast says man fuck ngagojo like ngathi ngame roboting ngenza so imoto ifike ngishayise ki thola imali yeref ngazi ngenze njani idolo phansi ni ngithandaze ni uzothandaza shame yazi uNkulunkulu nihlekani yini why nihleka yini nihlekisela you guys are so dumb like why are you guys laughing it's actually not funny kanti what happened exactly indaba zethu yimi ughost uNkulunkulu indaba zethu ngiphuza i-Red Bull yazi ngiphuza ne-Red Bull qhanga mina ngiphuza i-Red Bull ngifuna ukufufa ngiyokhuluma noNkulunkulu to ngifuna ukumbuza ukuthi nginwa Red Bull hey yani hey afere mayazi hey kuze Red Bull ngikukhuluma noNkulunkulu ngibuza ukuthi why wenza sojo yini inkinga yakho why ungafuni sibe happy la emhlabeni or sizelenda like sizeleni sifunani la emhlabeni bangozosiphula inhliziyo usifunani like yini bengizokwenzani la purpose yami yini ngenzani ish. Mara ke bophelo, it's sometimes in life. Ke life. Go one day, ne? I think week ngizoba right like nyana emara ngiyagowa manje jo like ngiyagowa serious. Oh, ngathi ngibeli bo China. Angazi ngayenza njani. Ngathi ngoba ispider. Just for today like ngoba ispider like